Hello students, welcome to the video class of the chapter definite integration. In last class we discussed properties of definite integral up to 5 properties and some examples solved. Today we are going to discuss other properties of definite integration. Before that I want to discuss the problems of previous class concept. Okay, so now evaluate 0 to pi by 2 sin x to the power 3 by 2, that is cube root of or cube root of sin x divided by cube root of sin x plus cube root of cos x dx. Okay, तो फर्स्ट ए टाइप क्वेश्चन थिले आमे आई नवा पड़ो सॉल्यूशन. लेट आई इज इक्वल टू 0 to pi by 2 cube root of sin x divided by cube root of sin x plus cube root of cos x. Okay, cube root of cos x dx. What is the property here? Property is what? 0 to this property 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Use this property. Okay, so I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 cube root of sin a means what? Pi by 2 minus x cube root of what? Sin x into pi by 2 minus x plus cube root of cos pi by 2 minus x dx. So I is equal to what? 0 to this is suppose equation 1 से, this is equation say 1, this is equation 1, and this is 0 to pi by 2, this is cube root of what? Cos x divided by cube root of cos x plus cube root of sin x dx. Okay, so this is equation 2. Add equation 1 and 2. Add equation 1 and 2. Add equation 1 and 2, that is 2y is equal to what? 2y, that implies 2y is equal to 0 to pi by 2 LCM same here, cube root of sin x plus cube root of cos x, and this is what? Cube root of sin x plus cube root of cos x dx. So this goes cancel, and 2i is equal to what? 2i is equal to, that implies 2i is equal to 0 to pi by 2 dx, 0 to pi by 2 dx. So 2i is equal to what? 0 to pi by 2 dx intercept means what? X. So limit 0 to pi by 2. So 2y is equal to what? 2y is equal to, that is pi by 2 minus 0, and 2i is equal to pi by 2, and I is equal to what? Pi by 4. Pi by 4 is the answer. Now the short question of this type of question, the shortcut method. That is integration a to b f of x by f of a plus b minus x plus f of x dx is equal to b minus a by 2. This is shortcut formula 1, and okay, shortcut formula 1, proof of the shortcut formula. So integration I is, let I is equal to a to b f of x dx by f of a plus b minus x plus f of x. Okay, by property number 5, by property number 4, that is a to b f of x dx is equal to what? F of a plus b minus x, that is a to b dx. This is property number 4. Apply this property. x बदल रे a plus b minus x लिखो. So I is equal to a to b f of a plus b minus x divided by f of a plus b minus of what? A plus b minus x, a plus b minus x, then f of what? A plus b minus x. x बदल रे a plus b minus लिख ली x. So I is equal to a to b f of a plus b minus x divided by plus a minus x cancel, plus b minus b cancel, minus of minus x, that is f of x plus f of a plus b minus x into dx. This is equation 1 suppose, this is equation 2 suppose. Add equation 1 and 2. Add equation, that is add equation 1 and 2. So what happens here? 2y is equal to integration of a to b, LCM is what? F of x plus f of a plus b minus x LCM. Here what? F of x plus f of a plus b minus x, okay, into ds. So this goes cancel. So 2, that implies 2y is equal to what? A to b f of x, that is dx, that is equal to b minus ds integration what? X, limit is a to b. That implies 2y is equal to what? 2y is equal to integration b minus a, I is equal to b minus a by 2. Okay, I is equal to, hence proved. Suppose this is example for 1 mark question. For 1 mark question, if it is given pi by 6 to pi by 3, short question, pi by 6 to pi by 3, and this is what? Sin square x divided by sin square x plus cos square x ds. Okay, so what is the formula for here? A to b, and this is what? Pi by 2, sin pi by 2. This is f of x, suppose this is a plus b minus x. Okay, suppose f of x is equal to sin square x. So f of what? Pi by 6 plus pi by 3 minus x, that is equal to pi by 2 minus x. So this is equal to sin square pi by 2 minus x. This is equal to what? This is equal to cos square x. So according to this formula, here a is equal to what? B equal to 3. So answer is what? Answer is b minus a by 2. That is equal to pi by 3 minus pi by 6 by 2. That is equal to pi by 6 by 2. This is equal to pi by 12 answer. This is shortcut formula. Shortcut. Another shortcut formula. Shortcut method. Second shortcut is what? Second shortcut is second shortcut is second shortcut is 0 to a f of x divided by f of x plus f of a minus x dx is equal to what? A by 2. This is second shortcut formula. One example, this is 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2 sin qx by sin qx plus cos qx. So answer is what? Is equal to dash. So answer is what? pi by 2. A is pi by 2, pi by 2 by 2. So answer is what? Pi by 4. This is shortcut formula 2. Now property number 6. Now property number 6. Property number 6, integration minus a to a f of x dx is equal to 2 times 0 to a f of x dx if f of minus x is equal to f of x, that is f of x is even function, that is f of x is even. 0 if f of minus x is equal to minus fx, that is if f of x is odd function. Okay, this is property number 6. Now proof of the property number 6. Proof minus a to a f of x dx. This can be written as what? Minus a to 0 f of x dx plus 0 to a f of x dx by property number 3. By property 3. By property 3. Let for first integral let x is equal to minus t. So ds is equal to what? Minus dt. Dx is equal to minus dt. Okay, so what happens here? That is equal to, when x is equal to t, a equal to, when x is equal to minus a, t equal to a, when x is equal to 0, t equal to 0. So put x is equal to here. So when x is equal to a minus a, that implies t is equal to a. When x is equal to 0 and t is equal to what? 0. So that implies what? Minus a to a f of x ds is equal to limit a to 0 f of minus t into minus dt plus this is 0 to a f of x dx. So what happens here? That is minus common, minus a to 0 f of minus t dt is equal to what? 0 to a f of x dx. So the variable use x is equal to this is equal to minus a to, this is take comma. Property number 2. By property 2 what happens here? This is 0 to limit change kale sign change hobo. तो लिमिट 0 to a कली f of minus t dt, that is equal 0 to a f of x dx. So this is now change variable. This is equal to 0 to a, t बदल x लिख दियो, f of minus x ds is equal to 0 to a f of x dx. So what happens here? That is equal to 0 to a f of 0 to what? That is minus a to, that implies minus a to plus a f of x ds is equal to, this is 0 to a f of minus x dx plus 0 to a f of x ds. Okay, case 1, if f of x is even, that is f of minus x is equal to f of x, that implies therefore minus a to a f of x ds is equal to what? 0 to a f of x dx plus 0 to a f of x dx. So this is equal to 2 times 0 to a f of x dx. Okay. Now for case 2, when f of x is odd function, case 2 when or if f of x is odd, means f of minus x is equal to, that implies f of minus x is equal to what? Minus fx. So therefore what? Therefore integration of minus a to a f of x, minus a to a f of x ds is equal to what? For this f of minus x is equal to minus fx, so minus 0 to a f of x dx plus what? 0 to a f of x dx. So this is equal to what? This is equal to what? This is equal to cancel, so that implies what? Minus a to a f of x ds is equal to 0. Okay, this is property number 6. Now some examples of property number 6. Examples: minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Suppose this is sin qx, dx is equal to dash. Okay, so here solution f of x is equal to sin qx. Okay, f of minus x is equal to minus sin qx. That implies here f of x is odd. So integration of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sin qx dx is equal to what? 0. 0 is answer. Now another question. Integration of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Suppose sin square x dx. Sin square x is an even function. Solution f of x is equal to sin square x. That implies f of minus x is equal to what? Sin square x. So sin f of x is equal to sin square x is even. Therefore what? That is equal to, that implies minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sin square x dx is equal to what? That is 2 times 0 to pi by 2 sin square x dx. So 2 times 0 to pi by 2 sin square x, this is 0 to pi by 2, 1 minus cos 2x by 2 into dx. 2 to cancel here, that is equal to what? That is equal to x 0 to pi by 2 minus what? 1 by 2 sin 2x 0 to pi by 2. So this is equal to pi by 2 minus 0 pi by 2 minus 1 by 2 sin pi by 2 into 2 sin pi. 0 means 0 and sin 0 is equal to what? 0. So this is pi by 2 answer. Okay, this is pi by 2 answer, because this is what? Sin 2 into pi by 2 sin pi means 0 and 0 0. So pi by 2 is answer. Okay, now another question. Integration of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, tan qx plus sin square x plus x cube plus 1 dx. Okay, so part this is tan qx odd, this is odd and this is odd. Okay, separate odd function. So this is equal to what? This is equal to dash. This question is equal to dash. So separate odd functions, pi by 2 minus pi by 2 tan qx plus x cube dx. This is odd function, and this is what? Minus pi by 2 to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, and this is sin square x dx, and this is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 1 dx. So odd function, this is equal to 0, and this is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 1 minus cos 2x by 2, and this 2 times, this is what, 2 times what, 0 to pi by 2 sin square x dx, and this is x, limit is what, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. It is simple अच्छे आउ 2 times करिए रखा नहीं. 1 is even function because constant function is always even, or we can write 2 times 0 to, this is to what, this is even, and this is even function. Even function, for any constant function is even. So this is constant function, so this is even 2 times what, 0 to pi by 2 dx. So this is equal to 2 into integration 0 to pi by 2 1 minus cos 2x by 2 into dx, 2 to cancel, and this is what, 2 into x 0 to pi by 2. Okay, so x होची x 0 to pi by 2, एड होची 1 by 2 into sin 2x 0 to pi by 2, and this is 2 into pi by 2, 2 into pi by 2. एटा जदि x पकई थांते तो pi आसता 2 to cancel हला, so this is pi by 2 and 1 minus 2 into sin 2 into pi by 2 sin pi 0, so 0, and this is pi. So answer is what, pi plus pi by pi by 2 plus pi, 3 pi by 2, correct. Now another property, that is property number 7. Property 7, 0 to 2a f of x dx is equal to 2 times 0 to a f of x dx if f of 2a minus x is equal to f of x. Okay, and this is equal to 0 if f of 2a minus x is equal to minus fx. Okay, now proof of this. 0 to 2a f of x dx is equal to, we can write 0 to a f of x dx plus a to 2a f of x dx. Okay, now for second integral, put x is equal to 2a minus t, x is equal to 2a minus t. Okay, suppose this is for this integral, so dx is equal to minus dt when x is equal to a, t is equal to a. When x is equal to 2a, t is equal to 0. Now that implies what, 0 to 2a f of x ds is equal to 0 to a f of x dx plus what, limit is what, 0 to a to 0, and this is f of what, 2a minus t into minus dt, so this will be what, minus dt. Okay, minus dt. Now change the limits, so this implies 0 to 2a f of x ds इज इक्वल टू 0 टू ए एफ ऑफ एक्स डीएक्स लिमिट चेंज कले माइनस सिंबल प्लस हम प्लस सिंबल माइनस हम मु अपर लिमिट लोअर लिमिट चेंज कर 0 टू ए एफ ऑफ 2a माइनस एक्स डीएक्स ओके 2a माइनस t variable change is not impact the definite integral, so change the variable that is equal to 0 to a f of x ds variable change कले definite integral रो किछ value impact हवनी 0 to a f of 2a minus x dx. This is what 0 to 2a integration f x dx. Okay, now two cases here. When two cases were case 1 if f of 2a minus x is equal to f of x, so 0 that implies 0 to 2a f of x dx 0 to 2a f of x dx is equal to what 0 to a f of x dx एटा f of x है प्लस के 0 to a f of x ds. So this is equal to 2 times 0 to a f of x dx. Case 2 if f of 2a minus x is equal to minus fx, then what happens here minus fx. So integration 0 to 2a f of x ds is equal to what 0 to a f of x एटा बदल रे माइनस एफ एक्स हो केस 2 रे. सो माइनस 0 टू ए एफ ऑफ एक्स डीएस. सो दिस गोस कैंसल देयरफॉर के दैट इंप्लाइज 0 टू 2a एफ ऑफ एक्स डीएस इज इक्वल टू व्हाट 0 इफ एफ ऑफ 2a माइनस एक्स इज इक्वल टू माइनस एफ एक्स. दिस इज इक्वल टू 0. दिस इज इक्वल टू इफ f of 2a minus x is equal to f of x. Okay, this is question property number 7. Now some problems from elements book. We will discuss some problems from elements book. Very important question. Evaluate 0 to pi by 2 log of 1 plus tan theta. Very important. Okay, this is very important. Let I is equal to solution. Let I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log of 1 plus tan theta d theta. Apply the property 0 to a f of x ds is equal to what 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. Apply this property. So I is equal to what 0 to pi by 2 log of 1 plus tan pi by 2. That is the limit is what this is limit is pi by 4 not pi by 2. The limit is pi by 4 here. Okay, so apply pi by 4 minus theta d theta. Now I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log of 1 plus tan pi by 4 1 tan a minus b. So tan pi by 4 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan theta. Okay, d theta. So I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log of 1 plus 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan theta into d theta. Clear? So I is equal to what? I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log of this is 1 plus tan theta plus 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan theta into d theta. So plus tan theta minus tan theta goes cancel, and what happens here? That is, so I is equal to what? So I is equal to 0 to pi by 4. This is pi by not 2. This is pi by 4. Okay, the limit is here pi by 4. This is pi by 4 and this is what? Pi by 4. The limit is not pi by 2. The limit is pi by 4. So 0 to pi by 4. Okay, 0 to pi by 4. Log 2 by 1 plus tan theta into theta. Log f by n formula. So I is equal to what? I is equal to, so I, that implies I is equal to 0 to pi by 4 log 2. This is log 2 d theta minus 0 to pi by 4 log of what? 1 plus tan theta d theta. So this is I. Okay, and I is equal to what? I is equal to 2 log 2 into integration of d theta means theta. This is 0 to pi by 4 and minus I. Okay, and this is minus I. log 2 बाहर नेली d theta integration theta हला. तो I, this is 2I is equal to log 2 d theta, which theta means what? Pi by 4 minus 0. Okay, so 2y is equal to what? Pi by 4 into log 2. So I is equal to what? Pi by 8 into log 2. I is equal to pi by 8 into log 2. This is the very important. This is the solution of the question, and it is very important for the council examination. Okay. Another important question, 0 to pi by 2 log sin x ds. Okay, so solution is I is equal to, let I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx. Okay, 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx. Now apply property number 5. That is what? I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin a minus x, means pi by 2 minus x dx. By which property? By property 5. By property 5. By property 5. So I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log cos x dx. Suppose this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Add equation 1 and 2. So 2I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x plus log of cos x into dx. So this is equal to 2y is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin x into cos x dx. Okay, so 2y is equal to what? 2y is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log 2 multiply करिवा 2 sin x into cos x by 2 कर दबा dx. Now 2y is equal to what? Now 2y is equal to 0 to pi by 2 what? Log of sin 2x. Log of sin 2x by 2 into dx. Log m by n formula. Okay. So 2I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin 2x dx minus log 0 to pi by 2 log 2 dx. Okay, so what happens here? That is, this is 2x form and this is log sin x. So let 2x is equal to, for first integral put 2x is equal to t, and what that implies 2 dx is equal to 2 is equal to what? dt by dx, or ds is equal to dt by 2. When x is equal to 0, when x is equal to 0, t is equal to 0. When x is equal to pi by 2, t is equal to what? When x is equal to t is equal to pi by 4, t is equal to what? When x is equal to 0, t equal to 0. When x is equal to pi by 2, x is equal to t is equal to what? Pi. So 2y, that implies 2y, limit is what? 0 to what? 0 to pi log sin t into dt by 2 means what? dt by 2. Okay, and this is log 2 integration ds is equal to x. So this is equal to 0 to pi by 2. Okay, now this is 2y and this is dt by 2 डाइट अच्छी, dt by 2 अच्छी आम फास्ट लिखि परिबा, किछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं कांस्टेंट टा. एंड दिस इज व्हाट? दिस इज here suppose f of t is equal to what? Log sin t. F of pi minus t, same log sin t. Which property? By property number what? 7. By property 7, this is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 times what is property number 7? Property number 7 is minus 0 to 2a f of x ds is equal to 2 times 0 to a f of x dx. This is property number 7. So a means what? 2a means pi. 2a means what? Pi. So 2 into 0 to a by 2 log of sin t dt, and this is log 2 and pi into pi by 2. Okay, 2 goes cancel. 2 goes cancel, then 2y is equal to what? 2y is equal to 0 to pi by 2. The definite integration is independent of what? Variable change. So 0 to pi by 2, this is log sin x dx. Okay, and minus pi by 2, and this is log 2, and this is equal to 2y is equal to I minus pi by 2 into log 2. So 2y minus I means I is equal to pi by 2 into log 2, or we can write I is equal to what? I is equal to pi by 2 log 2 to the power minus 1, that is equal to pi by 2 into log 1 by 2. This is answer. Another important question, evaluate 0 to pi by 2 log of 1 plus x by divided by 1 plus x square dx. It is in the form of a square plus a square. So let I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log of 1 plus x by 1 plus x square into dx. Okay, so put x is equal to tan theta, because it is in the form of a square plus x square. Put x is equal to tan theta, ds is equal to dx, that is 1 is equal to what? 1 is equal to sec square theta into d theta by dx. So dx is equal to sec square theta into d theta. When x is equal to 0, when x means what? X is equal to 0, then theta is equal to 0. When x is equal to 1, केते एंगल रे tan टा 1 होछ pi by 4 रे, pi by 4. So I is equal to what? 0 to 1 log of 1 plus tan theta, okay, divided by 1 plus tan square theta, ds means sec square theta into d theta. So I is equal to 0 to 1 log of 1 plus tan theta divided by what? Sec square theta. This is sec square theta into d theta. Okay, this is pi by 4. This is pi by 4. 0 to pi by The question is what? The question is 0 to 1 here. 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Okay. So this is 0 to pi by 4 and this is 0 to pi by 4. The question is 0 to 1 log 1 plus x divided by 1 plus x square d square. So 0 to 1 same thing. Okay. So x is equal to 1, then theta is equal to pi by 4. So sec square theta sec square cos cancel. Now I is equal to what? I is equal to 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan theta d theta. ଏବେ ଗୋଟେ क्वेश्चन पूर्व दुटा क्वेश्चन पूर्व करथिले ए क्वेश्चन दा log of 1 plus tan theta. So apply the property, apply, that is what, by property number, by property 5. Property 5 what happens? This is I is equal to 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 tan pi by 4 minus theta d theta. So I is equal to 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan pi by 4 1 minus tan theta divided by, this is tan a minus b formula. Okay, tan a minus b formula. So tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a into tan b. A means pi by 4, tan pi by 4 1 and this is tan theta into d theta. So I is equal to 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan theta plus 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan theta into d theta. Cos cancel. So 0 to pi by 4, 0 to pi by 4, this is log 2 divided by 1 plus tan theta d theta. Now I is equal to log 2 minus log है जो log m by n formula. So log 2 constant and 0 to pi by 4 d theta minus 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan theta d theta. Eta I hochi. Okay, and this is I. This is I. So I is equal to log 2 and this is theta 0 to pi by 4 minus I. So 2I is equal to what? 2I is equal to, so 2I is equal to what? That is 2I is equal to pi by 4 minus 0 and log 2. So I is equal to pi by 8 into log 2. This is answer. Okay. Now another important question is, another important question, prove that 0 to 1 log x by 1 minus x square dx is equal to pi by 2 log half. Solution, let I is equal to 0 to 1 log x by root over 1 minus x square into dx. It a square minus a square, it sin theta put kariya. Put x is equal to sin theta, dx is equal to what? Cos theta into d theta. When x is equal to 0, when x is equal to 0, theta is equal to 0. When x is equal to 1, theta is equal to what? Pi by 2. So I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log of sin theta divided by root over 1 minus sin square theta. ds means what? Cos theta d theta. So I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin theta divided by 1 minus cos sin square root over theta, that is cos theta into cos theta into d theta. Cos theta go cancel. So I is equal to what? 0 to pi by 2 log sin theta d theta. Ebe karthili eta question. So now this is I, equation 1. Now apply the property. Now apply the property by property 5. So I is equal to what? 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2 log of sin pi by 2 minus theta into the theta I, that implies I is equal to, here implies sign, that implies I is equal to what? I is equal to 0 to pi by 2, and log of cos theta d theta. This is equation 2. Add equation 1 and 2. Add equation 1 and 2. That is 2i is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log of sin theta plus log of cos theta into the theta. ଏବେ just करथिली सेम प्रोसेस करियो पड़ो. So 2i is equal to what? 2i is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin theta into what? Log sin theta into cos theta. So ये 2 by 2 कर दियो हो. तो 2y is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log of 2 sin theta into cos theta by 2 d theta. So 2y is equal to what? 2y is equal to 0 to pi by 2, and this is log sin 2 theta by 2 into d theta. Okay, then separate this. So 2y is equal to log sin 2 theta 0 to pi by 2 log sin 2 theta d theta minus log 2 integration 0 to pi by 2 d theta. Okay, now for first integral. Now for first integral, now for first integral let or put 2 theta is equal to t. Put 2 theta is equal to t. Okay, and 2 d theta is equal to dt, and d theta is equal to dt by half dt. So when theta is equal to 0, t is equal to 0. When theta is equal to what? Pi by 2, that implies t is equal to pi. So I is equal to 2i is equal to what? So 2i is equal to, and this is what? 1 by 2 0 to pi log sin t dt minus log 2 theta limit 0 to pi by 2. So by property number 7, that implies 2y is equal to 1 by 2 times 0 to what? Pi by 2 by property 7 log sin t dt, and this is log 2, this is pi by 2. Okay, or pi by 2 log 2, or pi by 2 into log 2. 2 to cancel, this is I. 2i, this is I. कौन पाई ना वेरिएबल चेंज हेले हमरो डेफिनेट इंटीग्रेशन वैल्यू किछ चेंज होबे. सो दिस इज I minus pi by 2 into ln 2. 2i minus I means I is equal to what? Minus pi by 2 ln 2, or this is equal to what? Minus 1 into pi by 2 ln 2, or this is equal to what? Pi by 2 ln of 2 to the power minus 1. So pi by 2 into ln of 1 by 2. This is the proof required to RHS. Okay, this is the question. Another important question, 0 to pi, evaluate 0 to pi x by 1 plus sin x ds. Solution, let I is equal to x by 1 plus sin x dx, and the limit is 0 to pi. Apply property, which property? 0 to a f of dx is equal to what? 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Apply this property. So I is equal to what? 0 to pi minus x divided by 1 plus sin pi minus x dx. Now separate this. I is equal to pi common, 0 to pi 1 by what? And this is one step more here. This is I is equal to 0 to pi minus x divided by 1 plus sin x ds. Now separate. I is equal to pi here, 0 to pi 1 by 1 plus sin x dx minus 0 to pi, okay, 0 to pi x by 1 plus sin x ds. This is I. Okay, so I is equal to pi into what? 0 to pi 1 by 1 plus sin x into dx minus what? This is 0 and this is I. Now 2i is equal to 2i is equal to what? Pi into 0 to pi 1 by 1 plus sin x into dx. Okay, now rationalize it. 2i is equal to pi 0 to pi, this is what? 1 minus sin x divided by 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x dx. So 2y is equal to pi into 0 to pi 1 minus sin x divided by what? 1 minus sin square x dx. So 2y is equal to pi into 0 to pi 1 minus sin x divided by cos square x into dx. Okay, so 2y is equal to pi into, this is 0 to pi 1 by cos square x, this is sec square x. Okay, 0 to pi sec square x minus what? This is now this is 2y equal to pi into 0 to pi 1 by cos square x means sec square x, and this is sin by cos means tan x, and 1 by cos means sec x whole dx. Okay, now 2y is equal to what? 2y is equal to pi into, what is integration of sec square x? That is tan x. And what is integration of tan x sec x? That is sec x. Limit is what? 0 to pi. Okay, so tan pi 0 and this is 0. So 2y is equal to pi into, this is 10, put this is 0, sec pi means what? Sec pi minus 1, so this is plus 1. Now put 0, 10 0 0 minus sec 0 1. So this is equal to what? 2y is equal to pi into, this is 1 plus 1 2. So 2y is equal to 2 pi. So I is equal to pi. I is equal to pi is the answer. Now today it is the problems of the property number 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, in next class we will discuss some more extra property, okay, and some numericals, short questions, etc. How to number of short questions etc. Clear? Thank you. Have a nice day.